Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my 19 algorithm video, and in this video we will be given a list and we need to find the position of that number in that list if it is there. So the number to be found is 16. The list of numbers that is given to us is 9, 7, 2, 16 and 4. I make a flag variable 0 indicating that it is not yet found, and I also make a random position and I give it a value of -1. Okay, so for I in range 0 to len of list of numbers, and if list of numbers I is equal to number to be found, I update the flag variable to 1 and update the position also to the I, and I also break out of the loop. However, in case it is not yet found in the current iteration, I continue with the next iteration. Fine. So when the for loop is completed, I check if the flag variable is 1, and then I say the number is at position and if it is not present, the number is not in the list. As I click play, now as you can see that the 16 number is at position 3, is at index 3. Now I can change the question also. So for example, you can say that the number to be found is 98 and the new list is 1, 22, 57, 47, 34, 18 and 66. Okay, as I click play, now the number 98 is not present in the list of numbers, so flag variable is still indicated to be 0, and as we go down in this else loop, it prints out that the number is not in the list. I hope you liked the video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.